Today we're making Halloween candy art, and I already sketched it out. This is what it's going to look like. It's like a scary pumpkin.
And we have lots of candy, a lot of orange candy because we're going to be doing a pumpkin.
So, and let's get over it. So we're just starting outlining it right now, just to get started. Right now, I'm using jelly beans and Reese's Pieces.
I'm just putting them where they need to be glued right now, so you can go glue.
Right now, I'm working on the mouth, and I'm using hot tamales and Mike Knights, and the Mike Knights are for the teeth.
Right now I'm sculpting these Tootsie Rolls. I'm going to be putting them on the stem, so I'm making them fit. Now I got the stem done, and Cayden right now he's working on the eyes. He's using Laffy Taffy, and I think it's coming together pretty good. The stem we just used Tootsie Rolls and molded it. That's what he's doing with the taffy.
I got the eyes finished. Now I'm just starting with the orange again to finish the body of the pumpkin. I got the outlining of the eyes done. Now I'm just going to fill in with jelly beans. I'm just finishing filling it up, and the grass is almost done. I'm finishing touching and just putting the moon on.
We finally finished, and this is the end product. And we used a lot of candy and stuff.
And it's really fun to make, and it would be fun to do at home if you just wanted to do something. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay upgraded.